Here's a 2008 Saleen Mustang. This particular model is an S302 Extreme. This does have a super shaker system added to it. The Extreme is a supercharged 302 with forged internals built by Saleen. Rated at, I believe it was 620 horse from Saleen. This one's been massaged a little bit after that. Has an 8-rib pulley system to it, thumper belt tensioner, ported throttle body. Obviously you can see the super shaker hood. Has an HPX mass air flow sensor, some stainless works headers, an exhaust. Just incredible setup in this car. This is not for an inexperienced driver. There is no doubt about that. This car puts out some horsepower. Let's put it that way. We'll start it up in a little bit and you can hear it running. It's definitely a throaty sounding machine. This particular one, as you can see by the bumper number here, is number 17. In 2008, Saleen was going to make 200 of these S302 Extremes. They ended up with, I believe it was 26. So this is literally number 17 of 26 that were made. Economy and some things changed. If you remember back in 08, and did not make as many of these as planned, which makes this car more rare now. This is an alloy metallic clear coat. It's a color from Ford. You can see it's got the heat extractor hood, chrome Saleen wheels, a little over 13,000 miles, and it shows this car is in nice shape. You'll find just a few real fine, see if I can pick them up, real fine. Happy you can see them. There's one. A couple real fine chips in the hood, but nothing real major. Check out the still pictures, and you can see the underside of the car, see the interior, take a good look at the exterior. You can see those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. No major door dings. I think I seen one little one on the driver's side. Trying to look now, see if I can find it, spot it out maybe on the driver's side, but overall, darn nice car. Great sounding car. You want one that'll make some heads turn, showing up at a show, cruise in, going down the road. This is definitely it. Aluminum gas door by Saleen. And I can't even find that little ding I saw on the door back now. It wasn't, like I said, it wasn't very much. This car's awful clean. Give us a call too if you want us to put our eyeballs on it, walk around, give you any ideas, got any specific questions you'd like. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Once again, check out those still pictures, underside of the car, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's go ahead and fire this up and get a look at the interior. Saleen seats, very nice shape. As you can see, inlays, door card, lots of times where you see it separating, it's not separating. Also very nice shape. 6-speed manual transmission in this one, by the way.